love this. This is fun. Cool. Sweet. This is today's look, and let's jump right in. Get ready with me today, and hopefully you will like this look, and it's super easy to create. Hey, I'm Dani, welcome to my YouTube channel. And I feel like I pulled off a look that I had no idea what I was doing, like usual. I have been obsessed with this Jaclyn Hill palette. I feature it in almost every single makeup video that I have done so far since I started trying to do like this makeup consistent thing. And I have not really played with this part of the palette. And I did today. First things first. I get all nervous, I don't know why. So purple doesn't get enough credit, so I'm gonna jump in right now and just do a purple look and attempt to do something. I couldn't find what I was looking for, so I found some inspiration, but I just felt like it still wasn't what I wanted. So let's get ready and try to create a purple look that isn't too crazy. I was gonna do like a throwback 80s, but I was like, oh shit, I'm not gonna be able to wear that all day. This is gonna be a attempt at using the purple shades that I never use. I didn't want to do pink. Pink can wait. I'm just obsessed with this palette, but I need to branch out from my browns. I've played with yellow, but I have not played with purple. Purple to me just doesn't get enough credit. So let's play with purple. I'm debating between going in with, I'm just gonna do it. This one is called Not My Journey. And I'm using just a really tight packy brush. And I'm just gonna kind of like do this kind of messy and see what happens. I love seeing how my eye color changes based off the colors that I'm using. And I think that is the funnest part about having this red hair, is that my eyes tend to just really be more like sensitive to color, if that makes sense. Versus like when I have like my natural blonde, I just feel like my eyes have been like popping like crazy. And I just kind of want to make this messy. So I'm using this, the glitter right now on the outside versus the inside, because I kind of want to create like maybe drama going out and in versus like in and out. And I feel like we always just put glitter in the same spot. I don't want to do that. So I'm gonna kind of just feather this in. I'm just gonna use, I think, 3 colors. No more than 3. And I never use this like packy brush because it's real packed. I'm just going in one more time to create that really purpley inside as it fades to brown. It's fun. So kind of crazy, kind of different. I always get excited just to like play with different stuff. I just cannot get over how good this foundation works. For being, I mean, it's definitely full coverage. There's 15 SPF in this, so you do get a little bit of sunscreen. It's just a good everyday go-to foundation. There's so much extra shadow on this brush, so I'm kind of just, like I said, I kind of want it to be messy. I don't want it to be like completely clean lines from one color to the next, because I'm not a professional. I'm just winging it today, totally. I'm not gonna do eyeliner. I do not want to do eyeliner. I just wanted to do 3 colors. the goddess of all palettes. I feel like I want to do a little this. And then I'm going to do a little bit of this darker just around the edges of my face. I didn't want to go too high up on the brow bone this time. I wanted to go more like out, just for a different like effect. I feel like I'm doing okay. I feel like I'm doing okay. I do want to do some blush, and I love this color. It's just such a good color. Just sweet enough. That's the color of it. And then just to darken it up just a little bit, because I wish I had more of like a neutral brownish blush, I'm gonna just use this bronzer and just go back in over the top just to warm it up. Because I don't want to be too pink. I don't even have eyebrows on and this looks so good. I'm going to try to do more of like a straighter brow. Today. I'm going to focus on this part of the brow today versus like the angle, just to give myself like a little different shape. For being like the cheapest eyebrow pencil I've ever bought, I love these ones. They work so good to just kind of like feather in. So I'm still gonna do this side, but I'm just gonna kind of like dust it in. So I'm focusing again on this part of my brow. I'm not the best at shaping. I'm feeling this. I don't even have mascara on. I'm like, ooh, this is kind of pretty. And I didn't do concealer today because I got a new eye cream. And I kind of wanted to test my new eye cream and see if it kind of fixed like the dryness under my eyes that I've been really struggling with. We'll see. I'm gonna do my lipstick first before this last thing that I'm gonna try that I'm really scared to try. So I saw this trick that if you use a tweezers and you, oh, I'm scared. And you like, I can't use you as my mirror, I'm gonna use this one. And I'm kind of like pinching a couple of them to give my eyelashes like a different look. This side kind of dried up a bit. I would probably pinch them right away. But I feel like for like a soft purple look, this turned out pretty good. I feel like it's pretty. And it didn't take that long. Now we're gonna this look was created with just 3 colors from this palette. I will link this palette in the description below and all the products that I use like usual. Purple is a color that I feel like we don't use. Like, we're scared to use purple, but I bought this compact because it was purple. I love these like hair ties because they're purple. I want to buy a purple lipstick, but I feel like I would probably wouldn't look good on me. So we're gonna stick with purple eyeshadow. And this palette just has literally like everything I ever wanted in an eyeshadow palette. It has like your total like browns for every day. You have your fun like yellows and golds. You have your pinks. You have your moody like fall reds. And then of course you have your purples that no one ever uses. And I've been dying to play with this purple side of this palette for so long. And I put my hair up in this like kind of like, I don't know, this like half up 80s thing. And I've been obsessed with this little waver wand. So I just wanted to like do something different with my hair today. And this scrunchie, I got it at a local boutique, and it has just like all the fun colors to like tie in my blazer with my hair, with my makeup, and it works. So thanks for hanging out. Be sure to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more looks, please let me know what you would like me to try. I feel like I'm doing a pretty good job on like learning how to do my makeup because I'm practicing, and practice makes perfect. And the next look I want to do is like periwinkle because I'm obsessed with periwinkle. And I did get my nails done, but I didn't have this color in any of the palettes that I have. And I refuse to buy another palette because I just want to use this one up. So I highly recommend this Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm hoping it is literally selling as well as it should be. I think all these colors would work on everyone. And trust me, when I got this palette, I got home and I was like, why the hell did I buy this palette? I don't even know how to use any of these colors. And then I felt like I was gonna get really carried away. But makeup is supposed to be fun. If you like it, wear it. So that wraps up today's video. Thanks for hanging out. Shop the links in the description below for all the products that I used to create this look. And I will see you soon. I feel like it turned out really pretty. And it makes my eyes just like crazy, crazy blue. And again, complementary colors, so yeah. It's fun.